Today's MCQ, and it is very simple actually. A number, it is memory based question, but I will try to make it, instead of memory based, I will make it a conceptual based question, so that you will remember this not only till the exam but even after the exam also, and you will remember it in a fun way. So I hope you all know what is this called epidermal melanin unit. You might have heard about this, and you may have confused a lot of times. That numerical based question definitely are memory based, but this can be converted into long term memory very easily. I will tell you how. So first of all, you should know that melanocytes are present in stratum basal, and they have dendritic processes. So these are basically dendritic cells. And what is the basic function of a melanocyte? Is melanocyte has melanosomes, and these organelles in turn will make melanin pigment from tyrosine, so that you have read in your biochemistry. So what is the function of the melanin is, if you observe carefully, this is the melanocyte, this is the melanocyte, and these are the keratinocytes, all these cells. So keratinocytes are the major cells present in the epidermis. This also you know, and this is the nucleus of the each and every keratinocyte which you are able to see. And these keratinocytes, they are very vulnerable to ultraviolet radiation. So the function of the melanin is to produce the melanin. The melanin will form the umbrella. So here this is the pigment, it will form the umbrella, and it will cover each and every nucleus of keratinocyte, and this will prevent the undue effects of the ultraviolet rays, and this will prevent any unnecessary mutations happening in the nuclei of the keratinocytes. So literally we can say melanocytes are producing soldiers which are going to help prevent any mutations and thereby tumor formation in the keratinocytes. Okay, so this is the number. One melanocyte is going to produce so much of melanin with the help of the melanosome, so that adjacent 36 keratinocytes are going to be protected by one melanocyte. And this number you can very easily remember. This number is called as epidermal melanin unit. This is called as epidermal melanin unit, and this can be very easily remembered with the help of a very nice movie. The name of the movie is Kesari. You might have seen this. If you are not seen, if you feel low at any point of your time during your preparation or in your life, you can watch this. It's a I like this movie very much, Kesari. And this is based upon Battle of Saragarhi, which actually took place in the history, where 21 soldiers have fought against 10,000 Afghans, and they were successful in stopping these Afghans from conquering the rest of the land of India, which was of course British India. And if you look at this was the board, and this was a scene from the movie, and you can see the regiment. The regiment is 36th Regiment. 36th Regiment was the number, and with this you can remember that. So like just like these warriors who are actually 21 in number, 21 soldiers, they were belonging to 36th Regiment, and they took care and protected the rest of British India. So like this you can remember that one melanocyte is going to take care of 36 keratinocytes with the help of remembering the this particular board scene in the movie. And if you remember, this board is the last one to be to caught fire and finally get vanished, but these soldiers have definitely you know took place in the hearts of all the Indians, even despite after their death. Okay, so that is how you can remember. So I hope you all can remember with the help of this number, 36th Regiment from Kesari movie, that one melanocyte will take care of 36 keratinocytes and protects their nucleus from getting mutated and becoming tumorous. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. Please do give this video a thumbs up, and if you know the answer for this question, which is tomorrow's topic for discussion, please leave your answer in the comment section.